Everyone, George here. Well, it's been a long time since I've posted last. Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Easter. Sorry, but I've been on such a long hiatus. And so, yeah, this will be about my programming projects on OpenProcessing over the years. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to start by going here. This is the future. Then here's my first thing. It's called moving dot display, my first sketch on OpenProcessing. And there's no interaction. It's basically just a bunch of static. And if you look in the code, you can see that it's very simple. I have no idea why this is even here. So yeah, let's save. Oh yeah, now I see. Oh yeah, because the for loop had to close as well, because there's a for loop as well. Okay, let's go back. That was from, when was that from? That was from 2017. September 2017, so a few months after I started my YouTube channel. So yeah, this is my next one, Square Simulator. I'm pretty sure it's also from 2017. Yeah, it's from 2017 as well. Oh yeah, it just generates random squares. You'll see a pattern that I actually really love, generating random things. Basically, most of these are devoted to generating random things, as you will see. Oh, I think I included an Easter egg. Wow. So yeah, if you drag the mouse, it closes, and if you, I don't know what it is, I don't know what it does exactly, but something happens. There's another Easter egg as well. Oh, if I put my, oh wow, if they do this. Oh, if mouse x is greater than that value, then, oh yeah, now I get it. So yeah, there's a glitching square there that I even forgot that was there. The next one is as the squares take over. I'll wait for this. Sorry for the fan. I really don't like the fact that my computer's super noisy and the fan is super noisy. Yeah, this is basically this really weird curtain. I forgot what I did. So for some of these, I use the mouse X and mouse Y, and I do these really weird math. I'm going to see if I can see what happens. So I'm going to see, okay, so you fill green color, then it's ellipse, mouse X times pi, mouse Y, pi, and 22/7. That's interesting. And rectangle, mouse Y, mouse X. Oh, this is the blue. Oh, this is the blue. Oh yeah, this is the blue ellipses, and this is the curtain. It's mouse Y, mouse. Oh, so that's actually pretty ingenious. I never knew that I would do that. Anyways, let's go ahead. Once again, sorry for the fan. Orange curtain. It's basically um it's basically a one-way trip, so you can pull the curtain down, but you can't pull it up. You have to pull it down. And as you can see, it actually generates a new curtain. So yeah, you can only pull it down. That's about it. As you can see, most of these are super simple. Oh, synchronized swimming. I really like this one, but it's basically just the same thing, only I add something to the mouse X and Y. Let's try writing my name. Yeah. Oh yeah, and clicking resets it. Oh, that's cool. I wouldn't want to call it an Easter egg, but I guess it's an Easter egg. Okay, 8-sided die. Okay, random generator. Click to roll die. Then it just rolls. I guess that you can do this in HTML as well. I'll probably do a tutorial in the future on that. So yeah, this is really, we don't need to talk about this. It's trivial. Now, oh my dots. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's called oh my dots. Okay, and it just displays the dots. They get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Till eventually it's just a screen that changes color. Yeah, it's already starting to hypnotize me. Let's get out of this. Circle clouds. I'm not really sure what this does, but it's interesting, to say the least. Oh my god. I don't know what's going on here. I don't want to look at this error in the console. Please. By the way, when did I program this? I think it was like 2019 or something. If I can just see information. Oh yeah, May 2019. So that was pretty recent, I guess. Okay, let's go back to mine. When my computer just freeze. Then I think, what did I do? Okay, let's do trial and error. Processing.org. Let's see, my VPN is connected. My Wi-Fi is connected. So yeah, this really just, it does that on OpenProcessing. I don't know why. Maybe my computer's that old. Wi-Fi went down. Oh my god, did the Wi-Fi go down? Let's try this on Chrome. Okay, it's working just fine on Chrome. Okay, so we just finished circle clouds. Okay, so this one I programmed recently, and it has 36 likes because I shared it with my art class during quarantine. During art class, I just decided to do this because I can't draw, yeah. I know, what a surprise, I can't draw. And it's kind of like oh my dots, but the dots just don't get bigger. It's, yeah, it's, I guess, better than oh my dots because this, yeah, and there's no Easter eggs. Then I don't know if I still wrote the comment, this supports WebGL. Oh well, there's another program that's called Dots Galore WebGL. And then as you can see, it has a few forks, dots galore, behind the scenes WebGL, and it has an Easter egg, which you're going to get to in a little bit. Then dots galore behind the scenes. It basically tells you the position and the color of the dots, and it's slowed down to 10 frames per second because I've tried it faster than this and it doesn't work. Yeah, that's interesting to know that it's actually slowed down. Then there's Dots Galore WebGL version. By the way, this one's a fork and so is this one. It's WebGL. So this is super slow because my computer is slow. And yeah, it's WebGL. It has 3D graphics. These dots actually have a Z coordinate, in case you didn't know that. So let's go back. And now, something that finally isn't a fork of dots galore, we have smiley face generator, which I programmed today. And by the way, I'm giving you all of the Easter eggs, so pay attention. Okay, so use the mouse to generate a random smiley face. What this will do is generate a random smiley face in the middle of the screen. So yeah, you can see it as eyes, a mouth, it's upside down. And there's 4 eye colors, 4 mouth colors, and then there's a range of eyes and a range of sizes for the mouths and a range of positions. So yeah, you can get sad faces, and there's also 2 shapes for the mouth. One of them has the curve facing up, which creates the sad face and upside down happy faces. And then there's the one facing down, which creates the happy face and the upside down sad face. And so yeah, this one looks so cute. And this one looks perfect because, I don't know, this one just looks aesthetically pleasing. But yeah. Oh, and I forgot to show you. I told you that there's an Easter egg in this one. Well, there is. It's a reference to the programming of Oh My Dots. It's a reference. So yeah, so if I drag the mouse, it says, wow, I can't even draw a smiley face without messing up. Looks like I can program a computer to do it for me. Yes, well done. Well done. Okay, that was that, and then there's dots galore, but it has an Easter egg, and then this is, well, as you can see, it looks like dots galore. And you can pause here and go to the link in the description to check this out. And hopefully, yeah, I'll spoil it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.5. Go, yeah, so if you click, it's smiley face generator. So yeah, the first 2 dots are generated, which is cool. Then an arc is generated as well. Yeah, this, as you can see, oh, this has this comment about WebGL. Interesting. Then it has the background, random background thing. Then it draws, and then this is basically the entire code for the Easter egg, which is the entire code for the other program, the smiley face generator. So yeah, I might actually in the future, when I have time, I might actually tell you about how I programmed this and break it apart, basically. So yeah, this is my latest programming project. And today is May 6, 2020, as you can see up here. And I'm going to show you that this was programmed on May 6, 2020. And so yeah, you go to information, May 6, 2020, and then yeah. So, please consider following and liking all of my posts on OpenProcessing. I will share the link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe, I guess. That's what every YouTuber says. So yeah, I guess I should say it as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Yeah, anyways, bye. Okay, where's the recording button? Oh my god.